Good morning! What's going on, guys? What's good? It's 2018, the first day of 2018, the first real market trading day. So that's pretty awesome. That's pretty awesome. It's the first day to make some money. Sound is jacked up. Uh-oh. Is it really loud? Oh, gosh. Try it now. Is it good there? Uh-oh. Oh, man. Sorry about that. Echo. Oh, man. Where is that doing it from? Echo. No, echo. Now is it good? Try it now. Media source. How's it sound now? I got my new computer set up, and I didn't really test this, I guess. Good? There we go. Sorry about that. Here we go. We're back. All right, all right. All right, all right. Check one. Check two. Looks pretty good on the little thingy here. All right, now we're back. Still peeking out. All right, so let's try it. So you can see I started out with a little bit different setup here, 2018. Trying to do something a little bit differently. So we're actually going to have like a little watch list now. Word. I'll hit you. Sorry about that. So you can actually see we actually have a watch list now. People were always complaining like, what's the plan? What's the watch list? Now we actually have one. Going to show you what stocks I'm keeping an eye on. What stocks are hot this morning. BURG. Definitely keeping an eye on this one. For the sheer fact that it went straight from $3 up there to $6.22. From $3 up there to $6.22. And then crashed back down. So not sure what the story there is on BURG. Kind of not a ton of volume, but a decent amount of volume. But we'll see what happens here at open. This could just be one of those pop and drops. Litecoin definitely exploding. Exploding. Litecoin up above 260. I made a video the other day talking about my plan for Litecoin. I hope some of you guys took notice because it was a pretty good plan. Ended up buying a bunch of Litecoin around the $200 area, and it's now above 260. So beautiful move there on Litecoin this morning. Other than Litecoin, taking a look here at TEUM. TEUM up to that 250 resistance, 245 area. You can see it getting stuck there. Had some issues around that area before there. 242, 242 there. Getting stuck there. Look at that. Mr. Savick making some money there on Litecoin. I like it. I like it. Other than TUM, we got WATT. WATT Watt selling off huge on Friday from the $34 area down there to $19. Big crash there on Watt. And it's kind of bouncing now. We're bouncing from that $19 area up there to $22. Not sure this is really going to be a breakout today, but this could be some action. Never know. Might use some shorts getting squeezed. We'll see what happens here. But, you know, after hours, it was holding that $19 area pretty good. So definitely keep an eye there on WATT. Another stock this morning, really low volume, FNJN. Out of nowhere, went from like 215 up there to 280. Not sure. Only 30,000 shares traded. Definitely just keep an eye on it. ZKIN. Someone's calling this one out in the live stream. Wow. ZKIN. You're welcome. I'm welcome. He's welcoming me for telling me about ZKIN. Obviously, he's new to the chat because we've already traded ZKIN in the past, so we know about it. It's just not hot today. Got SNGX up there to the $3 area, pulling right back down there to 250. A couple people talking about this one, low float. Could be a good one later on. Really just need to get some action here. Overall, could be one of those days where the cryptocurrency moves pull away all the small cap traders. We'll see. We'll see how that works. I've seen days where crypto has just been going crazy, And it seems that a lot of the crypto traders that trade the small caps, penny stocks, stuff like that, end up just trading mostly cryptocurrency. So we'll see if that's the same setup today. Got almost every crypto coin is in the green right now. Got Litecoin, Ethereum, it's up 15, 17% right now. So some nice little moves there on crypto if you're trading that today. But SNGX, big spike up there to that $3 area, pulling back. Kind of really interested to see what happens here with BURG. That's just a massive move here from that $3 area up there to $6. It's up 65% right now. But not having the power to go higher there, just pretty much a huge pop and then the dump. Not sure I'd want to start buying right now, but I'll definitely keep an eye on it at open to see what happens there with BURG. I mean, what is there? Predator, what are you talking about? What are you talking about, Predator? What are you talking about? You crazy dog. NETE. NETE. Oh, nice little pop there on NETE this morning. 190,000 shares traded so far. Gotta get some more action on this one. This one is a previous runner, previous stock that we've traded before. You can see this thing, it popped up big there on 12.19, 12.20 from the $5 area up there to $35, $33. So big move there on NETE and then selling off there and down. So big move there from that $5 area on NETE recently. It's up there from $11 up there to $13. Look at this 5-minute candle from $11.20 up there to $14 on this one 5-minute candle. So boom. Pretty funny to see. Got MICT. MICT up this morning from the $1.15 area up there to 165. Oh, man. So big move there on MICT so far. It's up 35%. Only 250,000 shares traded. Definitely keep an eye on this one. It's not clean by any means, but it's trending higher, if that makes it any better. This 155 area, definitely keep an eye on it. Just going back over real quickly what we're looking at. So BURG making a big move this morning, but it's not having the power to go higher. Look at it, back down there right now. Pretty crazy. Let me see. Uh-oh. Having the same issues today. Looks like. Have I ever had any problems wiring money out of Coinbase? No issues. I've actually wired a ton of money out of Coinbase. No issues for me, so can't really help you with that. Oh man, this damn microphone. I don't know what happened to my I got the new iMac set up here, so it's been having, I guess, issues with with OBS and the microphones. I gotta figure this out here. Trying to figure this out. Sorry, a little test run here. For you guys are the dummies, test dummies. But I love you. I love you. So NETE, it's up there. What else we got? Nothing looking too amazing right now. Nothing looking like it's like, oh, this is an amazing stock. Nothing looking insane right now. But definitely going to keep an eye on all the stocks that we have listed in that watch list right now. A couple other stocks you might want to keep an eye on is NETE up to that $14 area. $14.20, $14.40. NETE breaking out here above that $14 area. We'll see if some more volume fills in here. Still low volume there on NETE this morning. Well, it looks like SureTrader's having issues again this morning. Wow. Pretty sure that's the same exact issue they were having on Friday. That's great. Great to know. Oh, man. Go for it, team. Noodles. Noodles. Share a link. Share away. What we say. Well, it looks like I'm going to be trading some cryptocurrencies today because SureTrader's not working. I think it is time. I think it's time for me to open an Interactive Brokers account. It's time. It's time for me to move on. What do you think the trade volume will be like today? Hard to really say. I think it'll be pretty good. First day of the year. A lot of traders trying to make some money. First day of the year. First day of 2018. Everybody wants to get rich on the first day of the year. So I think we'll have some nice moves today. We'll see what happens. Not time for the little boys' room just yet. Not time for the little boys' rooms. For the little boys' room just yet. I can feel it coming, though. I can feel it coming. So NETE up there to that 1450 area. Trying to get above it. Looks like it's on a break over right here. We'll see. 1458 on the ask. Trying there. It's doing something. BURG just crashing back down there. What a funny move from $3 up there to $6.20. Sometimes it's not always good to be. I guess it would have been good to be early to the party on this one, but if you would have been buying here at the $6 area there on BURG, ow, ouch, ouch. Painful to say the least. But I'll definitely keep an eye on it. You never know what's going to happen with these stocks. About someone who let you crazy. All right. NETE having trouble there at the 1450 area. What else are we looking at? SNGX moving around this morning, not having the power really to go. The volume is just not there right now. WFT, another one we were watching. It's selling off. Sold off big from that 1415 area down there to 365. I'm going to keep an eye on it there at open. 365 area, kind of that resistance support right now. Support, I should say. Support there on 365 on WFT. So I'm definitely going to keep an eye on it here and see what happens at open. Might be an easy short if this thing wants to start crashing down. FNJN, low volume. This thing popped up big from the 215 area up there to 280. Not doing much right now. We'll see what happens later. And then WATT, like I said, this thing's had a big sell-off there on Friday. A big sell-off from the $34 area down there to $19. That $19 area holding after hours. And then this morning from 19 up there to $22. So WATT, this stock has been making some wild moves the last couple of weeks. Definitely going to keep an eye on it here at that $22 area and see what happens here at open. You never know. Might be a quick little pop on it. Might just be a total washout. And we'll see. And then a couple people talking about BURG. BURG. Still at that $4 area. See if that $4 area is going to act as support there. Got the VWAP there at 483. Got the 9 EMA, the 20 EMA right around that 424, kind of 40 area. So we're right in that little area right now. It's either going to jump back up there or it's going to start crashing back down. MICT, talked about this one a little bit earlier. It's up 52%. The volume still a little bit lower. You know, decent amount of volume. 400,000 shares traded. The volume increasing right now on this 5-minute candle. You can see the volume starting to get more volume there. We'll see what happens if this thing wants to get moving. $175 there on MICT, getting eaten out. Big seller there, $175, just getting smacked right there, no problem. In and out. Up there to $182 now. MICT. Work, work, work. Yeah. All right, MICT gonna add this one to the watch list. Definitely making a move here. I like to see that $2 area. See if we get a $2 break. So looking here at MICT, this thing's above that resistance. We had that 175 resistance, or I guess we're not really above it right now. We're right there at that 175 or resistance. So we need to see if we can get above that. Obviously, we're going to have that $2 resistance. That $2 resistance there is going to be, you know, that mental resistance. We also have that 190 resistance there. So we got up there to 183 so far. So I'll be watching for that $2 break. $2 break would be a good area to get in here on the MICT if it has the power, if it has the volume there at open. I want to make sure the volume is there. I don't want to just buy in there just because this thing starts popping up. I want to buy in because it actually has volume, it has action, and that's what we're looking for. MICT over that $2 area could be a good opportunity. If you wanted to really be a gambler, you could maybe get in here on a nice little sell-off at open. If it starts to sell off, look for a bounce. It's been holding decent so far. This morning is a 5-minute chart, holding that 9 EMA, 20 EMA, kind of ramping up right now. We actually had a big spike up in volume there. 189,000 shares traded there so far on this 5-minute candle. So volume increasing here as we go into the open here. So definitely going to keep an eye there on MICT. So other than MICT, just kind of recapping what else we're keeping an eye on there. BURG bouncing that $4 area there. Ding, ding, $4. Well, let's see if this can get above that 450 area. We got the VWAP there at 481. So get above 450, get a run at $5. Definitely keep an eye on it there. It did make a wild move there from the $3 area up there to $6. So from 3 to 6 this morning so far in a matter of minutes. And having some trouble now pulling back there from the $6 area down there to $4. BURG having news this morning, so there is a catalyst here. There is a reason that this thing is popping up there. Not sure that the reason really warrants the move here. It's a low float, so we'll see what happens. But you never know with these low floats. It can just get going crazy. TEUM, previous runner. We've been trading this one a couple times. Not in love with this move right now. From that $2 area up there to 246. Having trouble there. 250 area resistance. If you look at the daily chart, you can see we've got that 250 resistance there. Previous resistance. And then, you know, we got there to $3 before. TEUM. And then it crashed back down. So we'll see what happens. And WATT up to that 22, where's it, resistance at right now? 22.41 area, holding it down there. Multiple kind of taps there at that 22.40 area, pulling it back down there. This thing has been wild and crazy. Definitely not sure I would short it right now, but definitely keep an eye on it. It's one of those stocks that just likes to move. When it starts moving, it starts moving. And I'm still keeping an eye there on WFT. See if we can get that break below that 365 area. There are plenty of shares to short there. I'm not sure how far this thing is going to crash down after it does break. You can see, you know, this thing's not a huge mover. It's not one of those stocks that goes up $10 and then crashes $10. It's been a slow mover the last month or so. Just gaining, you know, 50 cents a day, ding, 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 you know, $1 a day. Really, not even less than that. But so from 330, took it a couple weeks to really get going there. So WFT, not sure how much of a short opportunity is going to be there, but it might be a little opportunity below this 365 area if you can't hold. So you can see from 365, we probably have the support there at the 360 area. So from 360, it really depends on what's happening there. KOSS, this one made a big move last Friday. I remember this one being crazy, making some wild moves. It's pulling back right now. No shares to short this one. It's down 22% right now, so it might find a little bounce here. It might find a little bounce. We'll see. So MICT above that 190 area. Like I said, gonna be waiting for open. See if we get above that $2 area. I want to see a lot of volume. I want to see that volume come in there. I'm not talking about, you know, a little bit of volume. I'm talking about a lot of volume. I want to see that action. I want to see that action. Hot action. BURG. Someone said there's shorts added. Let's check this one out. Short list. BURG. There are shares to short on BURG now. Nice. Thanks for calling that out. See, I knew I'd keep you guys around for a reason. I'm not sure how much I can actually do today because of SureTrader not letting me do anything this morning. Let's do one more test here. See if we can do anything. Nope. No buying power still. So doesn't look like I'll be doing much trading today. Be trading some cryptocurrencies. I got to get my interactive broker account set up. I have a TD Ameritrade account that I have plenty of money in to trade, but TD Ameritrade is just it's just too slow for trading these crappy stocks, and you can never have never get shorts on TD Ameritrade, and yeah, it's just really slow. So MICT up there to 190. We're going to see if this one has the power to get above that $2 area. If you look here on the 60-minute chart, there is resistance coming up there at the 213, 214 area. So if you do jump in here for that $2 break, keep an eye on that 215 area. It can definitely be an issue if we get above that 215 area. Want to be careful that we don't get stuck on that resistance there at 215 because it could be resistance to hold it down there. MICT seller sitting there at 185 right now. So, all right, there's the recap. There you go. Checking out what stocks were hot. Keep an eye there on BURG. Just see what happens here with BURG if it has some kind of action there at open. Keeping an eye there on TUM, and definitely keep an eye there on WATT. Never know what happens with these crazy stocks. You can just go crazy. And then MICT, I'm going to be watching that $2 area. I'm not even sure I'm going to actually be able to trade this morning because SureTrader are having issues so far this morning. So we'll see. Kind of frustrating. First day of the year. It's not how I want to start the year out. Looks like everybody's having issues this morning with SureTrader. So I think we're all in the same boat here. They're gonna be having the same problem across the board here. So we can all relate to the video today. I'm gonna make a video talking about how I wasn't able to do anything because of SureTrader. So we'll be doing some mental trades today. Mental trades, paper trading, mental trading. Why doesn't everyone use E-Trade? Well, everyone doesn't use E-Trade because E-Trade, I've used E-Trade in the past. Definitely not the easiest system to use. Don't love it. Yeah, so honestly, if SureTrader does have issues that people can't buy with SureTrader, think about all the people that normally would chase these stocks that sit there and would buy these low caps, these penny stocks. They're not going to be there this morning, so that could be an issue. I'm not sure how much of a issue that's going to be, but it definitely could affect some of these low caps, some of these small caps, low floats, the kind of stocks that people trade with SureTrader. So we'll see what happens. If you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to get ready for market open here. I'll talk to you guys later on.